Now what I'm going to do is ask Dr. Elizabeth Helsner. She's going to come forward. She's the Associate Professor of Epidemiology at SUNY Downstate School of Public Health, and she's going to read for us. She's going to give us a proclamation from the mayor. Oh, proclamation from the borough president. I stand corrected. So let's give her a round.
Thank you for bearing with us as we make some slight tweaks to the schedule so that we can stay on time. I was scheduled to talk about consequences of diabetes. However, I think that we've really covered a lot of that material already in the borough president's remarks, and we'll definitely be hearing more about it from our physician panel. So we're going to set that presentation aside, and I would like to read to you what we have both from the borough president and the mayor's office. First of all, this is the first time I've seen this. This is quite a beautiful document that the borough president left with us. With rice paper on the top, a proclamation, beautiful. So it says here, whereas it is a time-honored Brooklyn tradition to recognize those individuals and organizations that demonstrate an outstanding commitment to promoting excellence and providing outstanding services and support to local residents and those in need of health care, it is therefore fitting that we join in acknowledgement of their special events and occasions, and whereas all of Brooklyn joins today with the medical professionals, staff, and supporters of New Creation Community Health Empowerment, Inc., to honor and recognize this organization for the outstanding contributions it has made in our communities. And whereas on behalf of all Brooklynites, I salute New Creation Community Health Empowerment Incorporation, a community-based organizational arm of the New Creation Ministries Incorporated, a community faith-based organization established in 1985 in central Brooklyn to educate and assist the community on health and the general welfare of residents. I applaud NCCHE for addressing the epidemic levels of diabetes affecting this population, educating, informing, and empowering communities and individuals to take care of their health and their families. I commend them for seeking to serve residents in efforts to reduce the rise of diabetes and other wellness affected the community, and other illnesses affected the community. I applaud them for educating the community on the importance of healthy eating and their creation of the Diabetes Task Force, which works in collaboration with the political and civic leaders, churches, residents, and private medical and health institutions to heighten the levels of awareness. I praise them for compassionately serving patients with care and for all of their efforts towards the advancement of improving the health and quality of life in Brooklynites. And I thank them all for all they have done to touch and improve the lives of many, helping to move our communities forward as one Brooklyn. Now, therefore, I, Eric L. Adams, President of the Borough of Brooklyn, do hereby proclaim Saturday, November 16, 2019, New Creation Community Health Empowerment Incorporation Day in Brooklyn, USA. In witness thereof, I have hereunto set my hand and caused the seal of the Borough of Brooklyn to be affixed the 16th day of November 2019. That's wonderful. And that is really a testament to the work of Minister John Williams and all of the organization that he's done, and also very inspiring as we move forward together. Now, there's one other message that we have here from the mayor's office. Dear friends, I am delighted to join the Central Brooklyn Diabetes Task Force in welcoming everyone to today's Bedford Stuyvesant Community Health Expo and Diabetes Conference. A healthy city is a strong city, and my administration is committed to ensuring that all New Yorkers are equipped with the resources they need to lead healthy lives. As we work to improve public health by guaranteeing health insurance throughout the 5 boroughs and expanding mental health services through Thrive NYC, we are grateful to the Central Brooklyn Diabetes Task Force for its important leadership in this work. By uniting hundreds of faith leaders, healthcare providers, community leaders, and other task force partners, today's expo and conference provide a wonderful platform for diverse stakeholders to network, review evidence-based approaches to diabetes treatment, and discuss further opportunities for collaboration in an effort to reduce diabetes in Brooklyn. I applaud all those who have made this event possible and look forward to everything the task force will accomplish in the years ahead. Together, we will forge a brighter, more equitable, and healthier future for all people. On behalf of the City of New York, please accept my best wishes for a productive event and continued success. Sincerely, Bill de Blasio. So, that's wonderful. Thank you all for being here. We're going to be working on this together. And so I'm going to pass it back over to our MC. Thank you.
It's wonderful when our elected officials get involved in a grassroots effort. That is wonderful. And they are to be applauded. And we have to think in terms of election. So keep that in mind.